Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a tofu fried rice. So let's jump straight into it. For my ingredients here, I have some tofu that I cut up into little blocks here, little cubes like. And then I have an onion here to the side that I sort of sliced up thinly. I have some ginger, thinly sliced. This is about 2 tablespoons of ginger. And this is the garlic. This is about 4 garlic cloves that I grated up here on the bigger side of the grater. And here's 1 garlic that, sorry, this is 1 carrot that I cut up very small. Same thing for 1 sweet pepper, 1 green sweet pepper, finely chopped. And to the front here I have, this is about a mixture of some chili powder and some black pepper. And for the rice, I cooked up 1 1/4 cup of rice. So this is the end result. That is nice and cold. Well, not really cold, room temperature. It's not hot anymore. And we're gonna start off to fry the tofu with my choice of oil is sesame oil. And for the soya sauce, you need to have some soy sauce for the salt to flavor the this fried rice. So let's get to the stove and put everything together. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to fry the tofu. Okay, so here we go. Before I go on, excuse the noise in the background. We're doing some work, of course, in the road outside. Okay, so I'm using some sesame oil to do the fry all the vegetables and the rice and everything. This is about a 1/4 cup. This is what I use to fry the tofu. I got some disgusting tofu. It was extra. Even though it said firm, it was firm, yes, but it had a lot of water in that tofu. So while I was frying, it was just taking long to fry. Anyway, enough about my issues in frying. Like I said, I already have the sesame oil in the pot. I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger. Let us saute for a few minutes. I hope you're seeing that clearly. I'm going to also add the onion at this point. I love the smell of that sesame oil. Now I'm going to add the sweet pepper, the carrots, let that cook properly. At this point I'm also going to be adding the black pepper and the chili powder. So here's my vegetables with everything added in. I'm going to now add the soya sauce, about 1/4 cup of the soya sauce. Yeah, that should do it. I don't really want to add the tofu as yet because it's so tender. That looks good. I'm adding the rice. Okay, so I've added all the rice, and this is what the tofu looks like after it's been fried. So I'm going to add this in now. Okay folks, so here's my fried rice all done. I don't think you can see the justice of it on my video right now, but hopefully when I'm doing the presentation you can actually see the justice, how pretty this is looking right now. And we have super lunch today. Okay, so look out for the presentation. Okay folks, so here's my garlic and ginger tofu fried rice all done. Super delicious. great idea for lunch today. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'm garnishing here with a little bit of chopped up save. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. That way, in doing so, when I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.